pepper. High in antioxidants. Has anti-inflammatory properties. May benefit your brain. May improve blood sugar control. May lower cholesterol levels. May have cancer-fighting properties. Turmeric. An anti-inflammatory. Protect against heart diseases. Prevent and help treat cancer. Treat or prevent diabetes. Play a role in treating depression. Improve skin health. Protects your body from free radicals. Work as an anti-aging supplement. A cup of warm water. How to prepare. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of black pepper to the warm water. Mix them, drink it daily. It helps improve blood sugar control, lower cholesterol levels, prevent and help treat cancer and improve skin health. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more beauty and health recipes.